In this video, I'll show you how to get your Axiom trade invite code and sign up bonus. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. First thing you need to do is go down below this video and click on the first link in the description or the link in the pinned comment, or simply go to keys2crypto.com/Axiom. And once you come to this page, you're going to head right over here and click on start trading. Then make sure you have keys show up right over here under the invite code section. That'll make sure you get the bonus 10% discount on your trading fees for life just by using my link. Then sign up with either your email, Gmail account, or by connecting your Phantom wallet. Now, after you've logged in, you're going to come to a page that looks like this. Now, that was how to get access and claim the 10% discount on your trading fees using my link. If you want to generate your own referral link that you can share with your friends and potentially make commissions, you're going to either head right over here, click on rewards, or to the top right-hand corner of the screen and click on your profile icon and head over to account and security. And you're going to go right over here to set referral code. Alternatively, if you click on rewards, right here at the top right-hand corner, you can click on this and set referral code. Right here, you can enter in anything you would like. For this example, I'm just going to enter in Axiom demo and hit set. As you can see, the link was successfully created. Now you can simply head right over here to copy it. You also have access to it right there. Back in your account settings, you also have it right there. Copy it. Now, whenever you share this link and someone goes to it, you'll have your referral code right there. And whenever somebody signs up, you'll get commissions for their trades. And that's how to get your Axiom Pro invitation link. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.